What's going on, guys? It is your boy Sandy here, guys. Hope you guys having a wonderful day. Yes, YouTube has just announced that now you can put your long form onto your short form, guys, and that is simply just beautiful, beautiful. But going straight into it, guys. Let me show you guys how to do it real quick. Let's go. All right, guys. Here you guys see this is on my YouTube channel here, guys. So what we're gonna do first, of course, is go into your YouTube Studios, of course. All right, once you go to YouTube Studios, you'll go into your content. You want to find what you want to do is that you want to find one of your shorts, guys. So I go to one of my shorts here. So I'm just gonna pick anyone right now, right? So hey, my boy got jumped, whatever. My boy got jumped. Why in Modern Warfare 3? So right here at the bottom, on the bottom right side, guys, where it says related video, guys, as you guys see, it says none. What you're gonna do now is you're gonna push that right here, and you're going to want to go and actually find the video that you actually have it on. So for this one here, it's my Modern Warfare 3 reaction. You're gonna save it here, and that's it basically. You guys should have it now on your actual video. Hey guys, so if you guys check it out, guys, I'm gonna show you guys real quick the Call of Duty that I just did. But if you guys check right here, guys, where it says Call of Duty, right here, you press on the button here, push on it, there you go. Goes into the whole entire video. So yeah, guys, you guys should definitely do this. If you have shorts that are definitely doing well, you guys should definitely be going to do this for your stuff, man. Because if so, it could potentially get people from your short form to your long form, guys. So yeah, if you guys love what you've seen today, if you guys seen what you guys like today, guys, I am a live streamer here on YouTube, guys. Definitely come hit me up. I stream Tuesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays from 6 p.m. to 12 o'clock at night. Hope you guys enjoy